Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. My topic for this morning is about tithes and offerings. Actually, magkaiba. There is a big difference between tithes and offerings. Okay, I'm gonna focus to the tithes. Tithe. Ang tithe, you will give to that kung asa ka na belongs na church. Ang tithes, 10% sa imuhang income. Like for instance, 10,000 ang imuhang income for 1 month. In 1 month, how much the 10% sa 10,000? So, automatically 1,000. So, kanang 1,000, mo na siya imuhang tithe. O dito na nimo ihatag, you can give that to your church kung asa ka na belongs. Ang purpose nga nung kailangan mo hatag ta og tithe because of love. We love to our Creator. We need to be honest to our Creator. That's why muhatag ka og 10%. Kini siya, this is an obligations and responsibilities to all the Christians, to all the believers. Remember kung asa ka nga church na belongs ha, dito na di mo ihatag ang imuhang tithe. Ang offering naman iba. So I'm gonna explain to that the next day. This week explain nako unsa ang offerings, unsay kaibahan. But for now is about tithe. I repeat, nganong muhatag ta og tithes sa ato ang church just because of our responsibilities, because of love. If you have love in your heart, you should be honest to your Creator. Kay tanang butang naa sa imuha, dili na imuha. Everything that is in your hands, that is, you are only a good steward. If you are a good steward, so you should know what is tithing. Thank you everyone.